Hi, I'm Chris with IMTS TV, and I'm here at Zeiss with Kevin Legacy, and we're going to be talking about Zeiss's X-ray solutions. Kevin, could you tell us a little bit about Zeiss and what they do?
Well, we're a quality supplier. We're big in the sensors and any kind of quality need you might have. One of the products that we're showing here at the show today is our X-ray solutions booth, and this is all different types of X-ray solutions for metrology.
And what are X-ray solutions?
It's a number of different products and technologies that allow us to measure parts, to look inside parts, to look inside assemblies, and basically do the things you would normally do with a tactile sensor, but instead do them with a non-contact X-ray sensor.
And what kind of customer would be interested in this product?
The best customers for a product like this are medical companies that are in the molding business, low density kinds of materials, plastics, nylons, Teflons, aluminum, but also people that are really interested in looking inside their products. So not seeing what you see on the skin, but looking inside and seeing what's inside the product themselves.
And is that why I would prefer X-ray solutions as opposed to other methods of metrology?
Right. We've got a lot of different sensors here on display at the show. Blue light sensors, white light, surface finish sensors, tactile sensors, but all of those fall into a category of being able to give very good information about the skin of the part. So what you can see with the eye, but what they can't do is look inside the part, whereas an X-ray sensor can not only see the skin, it can see everything on the inside as well.
And how safe is this product? Do all my employees need to wear those silly hospital smocks?
Well, today they're inherently safe, thanks to a lot of the safety laws here in the United States, but the systems are self-contained, which means that there's an enclosure that comes with them. You literally can install these systems right in the front lobby and meet all of the safety standards in the United States.
And now if I just have a one-off product or part, can I bring it to you guys, or do I have to just buy the entire machine?
Good question. In addition to all of the equipment that we sell, we run a full complement of metrology services labs across the United States. So rather than buy it from us, you can come over, kick the tires, we do it under contract, and hopefully after a while of giving you really good successes, maybe you'll be more interested in buying the products from us.
And so say I buy the product or bring you a part that I manufactured, do I just get films? Do I have to hold that up to a light? What do I see after this goes through the machine?
Right, so we don't use film anymore in our business, X-ray or computed tomography. Everything is digital, which means that everything that we do is archivable. And as long as you have enough space in your hard drives, we can go and look at these images years down the road after the products have been released into the field. So what they look like is essentially CAD models, but they're a real 3D representation of what the X-ray saw.
That's really cool. So aside from the X-ray solutions, does Zeiss offer any other kind of metrology solutions?
Many different solutions here on display at the show, covering just about any kind of application. One of the things perhaps I'll just bring to your attention is even outside of our normal systems that we sell every day and we produce in our factories, we are a full-on custom house. So any kind of system with automation, without automation, with robot, without robot, and integration into factory quality systems. We can handle all of those things today.
And so do most of these machines come off the shelf, or is it kind of customizable to my business?
Can be completely customizable or totally off the shelf. We can handle it all. We have a full-on R&D department as well as a customized fixture solutions group, and we can take on any need and do it at one-stop shop.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. That was Kevin Legacy with Zeiss talking about their X-ray solutions. I'm Chris Chidzik with IMTS TV. Thank you for joining us.